क्या है?
बांगड़ा fish curry बना. So rice, fish curry and pomfret fry. Yeah. So I bought this 2 pomfret.
Pomfret मस्त मिला यार.
Nice, no?
हाँ मस्त.
See, nicely you made a pocket also for this.
Yeah. अरे what I'm saying? कौन सा फ्राई कर रहा है? कैसा कर रहे तू फ्राई pomfret को?
Normal that red masala only, no? Red masala curry and pomfret fry. We'll put rava and fry it.
Let's try that, Nari. That Parsi people make in that kele ka patta. We've, I think we made it once.
Actually, that Patrani.
Yeah, Patrani
Fish.
How about we try that? अच्छा जाएगा red curry के साथ.
We made red, na?
बांगड़ा curry and that must.
You have to wrap it in that banana leaf. हाँ चलेगा ना? It's okay.
Let's do that.
It will blend well also in this red fish curry.
चलेगा.
हाँ?
तू shoot किया है क्या पर वो?
No. One I shot that is that Maharashtrian style, the Kohli style fish na. So it is similar to that only, but in that Maharashtrian style and that Kohli style, they make it with onion and all. So Patrani is just without onion. No. So you just have a base of that green chutney, and you have to just wrap it in. The tedious part is wrapping in that banana leaf. Nothing else. And steamer तो I have.
ना last time how?
हाँ कोई चलेगा.
तो चल shoot ही करते हैं ना फिर.
चलेगा.
ठीक है? चल. नींबू निकाल के देना, नींबू का जूस निकालने बोल रहे हैं.
I don't think so. No. I don't think so. No. It's never, ever gonna happen.
What Nimbu was there?
नहीं है. Oh no. So go and get now. Calm down.
You can't use vinegar.
No. It will not taste Patrani. It will taste Goan style.
Yeah.
Go.
चलेगा.
Yeah.
Got it. Yeah.
Was it hot outside?
No.
Good. It's getting better.
It's getting better. Yeah.
अच्छा ये करी को क्या करने का है?
No, nothing. You don't have to do anything.
Okay. Fish नहीं.
No, don't put fish also.
Okay.
Just see that if it's drying up, no. Just add little water and just try and shake the curry. Yeah.
Yeah, it will come more thick. I'll put some water.
Put water. It will splash. Yeah. Close it fast.
But it's smelling good, huh?
And the coriander leaves too much?
No. It's 1 cup. It's just scattered. Yeah.
No, because I think the fish, it's only 2 fish now.
It's okay, no? We can make this masala and keep. Yeah. We can make it and keep. And if you want, then Monday get 1 more pomfret and we'll make it again.
So now whole week we'll eat Patrani fish.
Yeah, that's the plan. Cool. I'm putting coconut, okay? Grated coconut. There's also like around a cup.
So one thing I just realized. Aren't you wearing all your old clothes? You're flaunting all your old. Just because you lost some weight, you're removing all your old clothes.
Yeah, I actually did. Like I removed. I asked Stanley to remove the suitcase from top and get all my old clothes out. And every time I'm wearing them and fitting into it, I'm like, yeah.
So how does it feel?
Very good. Very good.
So what exactly you did?
Yeah, so what I did was I actually stopped having late dinners. So late dinners used to upset my tummy, and also I could not sleep well, and I didn't know what was the reason. So I started having dinner at 7:30 in the night, and after that I take Rihanna down to play. So with that I also do like normal
that's
strolls,
it, and nothing else. And then in the morning I'm having like
proper heavy breakfast. Actually, I'm having all the food. I'm not skipping anything. Like,
Yeah. So this masala is very simple.
Yeah.
We added coriander leaves, coconut, grated coconut, and garlic cloves, chili, cumin seeds, lemon juice, and salt,
and sugar.
and little bit of sugar.
That's
Okay,
it.
and that's it. And there's no ginger in this.
Yeah. No ginger, no onion.
No ginger, no onion. And the best part of this Patrani fish is it doesn't require any oil. It just has to be steamed in that banana leaf.
Yeah. Why are you here?
Why are you here?
What recipes you know to make? Say.
What all you know to make, Rihanna?
I know how to make lassi,
Yeah. Wow.
dosa,
Dosa. Dosa also you know.
yeah,
And
uttapa.
When you made uttapa.
Anything. No, don't
Feku.
feku chandiyo.
No, one day I made poha.
Anything. No, you must have ate poha.
No, I didn't eat.
You know this, no? Oats porridge.
Say what you know. Say.
I know oats porridge.
She wants
also.
to be out of the syllabus. Extra smart.
And
That's
also
smart.
I know how to make chocos. Chocos very easy.
Wow.
So you know to make that chocos, or you just know to put the chocos in the milk and eat?
I'll see you later. Bye.
Why?
She's going because she's ragged, you know. She's getting ragged.
This is a daily routine. We rag Rihanna.
See you later. Bye.
Wow, it's looking good.
Nice. So it has to be thick, not very thin in consistency. Plus, it has to be little coarse.
Okay.
Yummy. The sun is the sweetish tinge of the sugar blending very well. Nice.
Now you start marinating, right?
Yeah, let's do it. Can you do one thing till the time I marinate the fish? Can you heat those leaves? So we made this nice pockets in which I'm gonna stuff in the masala. Stanley, look at your fish curry. Splattering as if there's a volcano inside it. Yeah, so you see, nice filling of this masala. This side it's not a very deep pocket, but still I'll just put in some. So for now I've stuffed in the pomfret and just applied little masala on top of it. But when we're putting in the leaf, we'll put a nice thick coating of masala over the fish. So for now I'll just let it sit like this for some time.
Last time when we made the Patrani fish, these leaves used to, just break. Like if you see this, it used to break. So we just watched one video where they showed this nice trick of just heating this. Now this is basically washed nicely and we have pat dried it. Okay, so in that video it was shown we need to just heat this so that the banana leaves don't break. So let's see how effective this is. I hope it should work. I'll start wrapping.
No, I'm putting a layer of masala down. This masala tastes amazing once the fish has cooked in it. So the juices of the fish into that masala, oh god, it tastes amazing. Yeah, see, it worked. No, it didn't tear. Ta-da!
Last time it was literally tearing.
Yeah, and we were like, how and why is it tearing? We know like South Indians use banana leaves for so many things. I need a scissor. Can you please? Thank you. Round 2.
Last weekend we made that. No, last weekend it was, right? We made that kingfish biryani.
Yeah. Oh,
A week
God.
before that.
Last week, no?
Uh,
Oh god, that was amazing.
it was amazing. She had made an amazing kingfish biryani.
Honestly, I just experimented and
Yeah.
it turned out so good. Like,
Yeah.
I mean, we didn't expect it to turn out so good.
Yeah.
And it was awesome.
So it's fun, on weekends you cook food at home. The house literally, it smells like weekend. So
Sunday.
Yeah. Yeah, so it smells like weekend, it smells like Sunday. So we cook good food, watch a movie on Netflix because Netflix uploads a video or a movie on Thursday or Friday. So yeah,
Yeah.
today we are going to watch that. No, today we are going to theatre, by the way.
Yeah.
So after having our food in the evening, we are going to a theatre to watch either Jigra or the Rajkumar Rao movie, right? What is that movie? I don't know.
A long name, Vicky Vidya Video Wala
Something ka video. Yeah. So it's been a long time that we've been in a theatre. So, and because there are no good movies like theatre-like movies. So now I want to watch Jigra, but Marina is saying that she wants to watch something entertaining.
Yeah, something fun.
that will make us laugh.
Yeah.
So yeah, maybe we'll go for Rajkumar Rao movie. And yeah, it makes sense. We can watch Jigra on Netflix or any.
No, we'll go for Jigra also in the theatre later next week.
Oh shit! I kept this vessel here, the steaming vessel, and I didn't start the gas.
So something
Wow.
if you all don't know about Stanley, he forgets everything.
Yeah. Like I literally.
He'll like just go in a room and he'll be like, okay, what did I come here for?
And I forgot to make rice.
There you go. Okay, the steamer is hot. I'm putting the fish in.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
Cool. We're done. It's 1:48 right now. So let's check it by 1:55.
Cool.
So do you all want a proof that Stanley forgets everything? Wait.
What happened?
I added water and I removed the rice. See, he's just burnt the rice. He forgot, he left rice over there on high flame. This is what happens.
It's okay. We saved this, right?
Yeah, I removed it from that. Whatever was
it's
on
not
top.
smelling.
It's not smelling, huh? There. See. Beautiful.
Wow. The fish looks perfectly done, right?
Yeah, it's done. Let's take it out and open it. Slightly hot. Please get your non-burning fingers here.
Wait.
It is hot. Ah.
I can do this also. The mac.
Okay, cool. Come.
Wow, was that a fish?
Yeah, there's fish inside. Now
Take a
I'm gonna
scissor.
cut the...
Let Rihanna do. Rihanna, you want to cut that?
Yeah, what thread?
Thread,
the thread. You have to cut the thread. Take.
Okay.
Put your fingers in the scissor nicely.
Give her that bunch of thread and
It's smelling so good, yeah. Get the smell. Not like you,
Pam,
burnt.
param, param, pam, param, param, pam. Congratulations and celebrations.
Okay, see, wow. Oh my
Wow, it's cooked.
God. Yeah, the masala is...
Is it overcooked?
no, it will not be. Give me a spoon from there. भूख लगी है खाना दो से कैलेंडर खाना दो कैलेंडर आ गया खाना आ गया वेट डोंट डू एक्टिंग
This is our rice and bangda curry. Bangda is bangda is nothing but mackerel, and this is the Patrani fish. Okay, and now let me show you how we'll open this
So you see the masala is nicely coated. It's become dry as well. Okay, and I'm going to open this. We had stuffed the masala inside also. And see the fish. Wow, it's so tender. See? Look at the fish. It's so tender. Nice, well cooked. Okay, put some masala in that. And
How is it?
damn good, damn good.
Let me see.
Baby, take.
Rihanna, you want?
Sit down properly. first.
Really, yeah. This the pomfret is nicely cooked. It's tender. Look at this.
Very tender and juicy as well.
And look at this girl. She's already eating. Let me also eat.
And I wanted to show you something.
Mmm.
My Lego.
Amazing.
I saw you my Lego also.
Bye, guys.